Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Maggie. If you guys are new, welcome or welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a sit down long form video for you guys. I haven't filmed one of these in forever, but it is Sephora sale time. What better video to do than a Sephora haul for you guys? So I unboxed my package this morning and I was like, oh my god, like I got some really good things. So let's just get into it. I'm really excited. And yeah, I also changed up the setting on my camera, so if it looks a little bit different, the filter, which I low-key prefer more, that's why. The first item is literally a second order because during my first order, I forgot to buy this item, and this is something that I use daily in my skincare routine, and that is the Lancome Tonique Comfort. This really amazing thick toner in this light pink packaging. A couple of years ago they had like a different packaging, and I think they had a different formula too, but I can't tell a difference, and it's always been a tried and true perfect item in my skincare routine. A really nice thick toner after you do cleansing, and it's in a really cute bottle, smells very nice, and I like to literally pat 3 layers. I remember when the 7-layer method was a trend back in the day, but I think 3 layers is sufficient and it keeps your skin moisturized. Lancome Tonique Comfort, it's always like an item that I repurchase. So the next item, guys, very excited because I've never tried this flavor of the Laneige lip sleeping mask. I usually get the original OG, I think it's just strawberry flavor, but this one is sweet candy and I'm like so excited. So I think I want to smell it. Wait, I feel like, let me smell it. I'm like so excited. Ooh, should I put on a little bit? And I love the scent and flavor, guys. And it's also like a cute little hot pink color, which is cute. It's like cuter than the OG red packaging. Love it. I mean, I've gone through so many bottles of the lip sleeping mask already, but if you guys haven't tried it, go try it out. It's literally so good, and I always put it on before I go to bed. Next item is something that I actually got from my mom because she likes this item. I got it for her once before. This is the Biossance Squalene plus vitamin C rose oil. So this is what the packaging, wait a second. Yes, there you go. I'm gonna also just like open it up right now. Did you hear that? It's your skin thanking you. See, I love like marketing. Like as a marketer, I love seeing what other people are doing. Like I love this. They just have so much more like marketing on their packaging, which like as they should for a skincare company. So this is what it looks like. It's very natural too. So the ingredients are more natural. Obviously you've got rose oil, vitamin C. It's there to brighten, firm, and moisturize your skin all in a very natural way. My mom likes it, which is why I purchased another one during the sale. So it's very like natural, which is amazing. Like natural while also doing the job, which is important. I feel like I've like mentioned a lot of items that I keep repurchasing, so let's talk about a couple items that are new to me. This is the Rhode glazing mist, guys. I'm very excited because I have their glazing milk. Yeah, I have the glazing milk, and this is the glazing mist, which I'm excited about. I mean, Bieberchella just happened, so I feel like I'm like obsessed with Hailey Bieber and Justin Bieber again. Like I feel like as with everyone, so there we go. So cute. Look at the bottle. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. So yeah, glazing mist, hydrating face spray. I like, as someone who has dry skin, facial mist is a must for me. Like throughout the day, I like spraying on the Caudalie item, which I'll show you guys in a second. But I've always used the Caudalie one, so I wanted to branch out, and like what better item to try than the Rhode mist. I feel like Rhode has been popping off. I really like her other products, so I'm excited to try this out. Also, the packaging is just so cute. You gotta give her that. So obsessed. I had to pick up one more of this because mine is currently out, and this is the Caudalie Beauty Elixir for smoothing, glowing complexion. This is what I like during the day. A lot of people like spritzing this on after they wash their face, but to me, it's a little bit too minty. Like, this is kind of spicy after you spray it on. I don't know what's like what the formula is, but it is very cooling and refreshing on your skin, which is why I like using it throughout the day. If I'm tired, you know, like having a food coma after lunch and you still have to go back to work, obviously, using a couple sprays of this on your face is so good to like wake you up while also, you know, hydrating your face in conjunction. So yeah, I really like it. I've literally gone through at least 20 bottles of this. It's so good and just too good. This, guys, finally got my hands on the Rhode Peptide Eye Prep Deep Puffing Eye Patches, and I thought like it was a good time to buy it during the sale because I think it's like $38 pre-tax for 6 pairs. So like with the sale, it's a lot better. I just wanted to be like those Pinterest girlies with these eye masks, exposing myself, but seriously, I'm like, I want to know what the hype is about. And obviously Justin Bieber and Hailey Bieber did like a collab on these eye masks. That's not my aesthetic though. These OG ones are, so I'm really excited to try these out and see if it actually works. But yeah, I'm excited. I always like, I love doing face masks, but I've always feel like eye masks are a little bit gimmicky. So hopefully these are good, we'll see. But I don't know, I just like Rhode's marketing is unbelievable. They just always like, they get you, okay? She knows. She's a marketer, Hailey is, so. And I fell for it. So yeah. Next item is something that I actually have, but I wanted a different flavor, if you will. This is the Salt & Stone deodorant. I have the Santal and Vetiver, the gray one. Hopefully it's that scent. I believe it is, but anyways, I got the neroli and basil one. I'm not gonna open it right now because mine is like not fully done yet, so we'll just wait to open her up. We'll keep her fresh, but I really like that scent. But I'm just getting a little bored, you know? I have the entire, not the entire collection, I don't have body mist, but I have the deodorant and I also have the body wash, which I really love. I think the body wash is also just really good for like a hand soap. You can use it as like a two-in-one. But I just feel like I wanted to try out and branch out and venture into more of their scents. So my friend and I the other day, very bad decision to go to a Sephora retail store during the sale. It was packed, it was so busy, but we just wanted to like smell some of the perfumes, specifically the Fleur scents, so that was fun. On top of that, I also wanted to smell some of the other scents that Salt & Stone has, and I think I really liked neroli and basil. Like I had it in my cart, but I was like, I need to go smell this in person to see if it's actually good. Usually the testers are also like, something about them, they don't have the scents anymore. Like they lose their scent, maybe because the like packaging, like the cap is always open, but it was like a very faint scent, but it smelled nice, so hopefully I like it. All right guys, last but not least, another personal favorite. This is the Lancome what is it, Advanced Genifique, I think now it's called the Genifique Ultimate Tea serum. So the dual recovery augmented serum, it says it's new technology, so I'm assuming they reformulated the product, which is exciting, but really like it. I've always, you know, I always repurchase it. It's a very safe product to have at home. So always like, I know I can always come back to it. It's one of those skincare products for me. Their serum, it's hard to believe that I'm like just turned 25, like 2000 kids are already like 25, 26, which is crazy. So started using this a couple of years ago, and it's always like I'm excited to venture into new skincare, but I always have my tried and true products. I'm also very grateful that I started taking care of my skin from a younger age and realized that importance rather than waiting until my mid to late 20s. So I'm excited to have literally started curating a skincare routine in my teenage years. Obviously started using this in my 20s, but it's really good. It's moisturizing. It's nothing like too insane. This one is really good for kind of like our, you know, the 20s age range, where it helps target like fine lines, really early signs of aging. I feel like this is able to revert it to some extent, which is amazing. And so always have to repurchase it. I'm excited to see what new changes they made to the formula. So I'll keep y'all posted, but of course had to pick this up during the sale. And yeah, love Lancome. They're just very good at tried and true products. That is the end of the haul. Everything is behind me, but thank you all so much for watching this video and staying till the end if you did. Please check out my other social media platforms, always linked in the description box below. I had so much fun filming this, and I'm like just like falling back into yapping and filming long form content. So yeah, I'll probably be doing more, but this was a great start to get me back into long form content. I had so much fun unboxing everything, and I'm very excited to begin using all of my new makeup and beauty products, although like they're just a lot of them are repurchases. But yeah, last but not least, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I had so much fun, so I'll be doing more of these. So yeah, hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.